Tokidos!
We're typically taught the name of a letter and not the sound it makes or the phoneme. Alphabet Smash is all about learning how letters sound because learning phonics is fundamental to learning reading and writing. This is how you play.
Welcome to Alphabet Smash!
A letter is selected and you have to find out which sound it makes. The game starts with letters that are most used and goes into letters that are least used as you progress in the game.
First, find the sound of this letter. Shake the cubes to hear their sounds.
Ta. W. Ma.
Well done.
You then have to find words that start with that letter and connect them together.
Now find the word starting with Ma. Igloo. Mouse. Monster.
Mouse and monster.
Monster.
Good job.
Mouse.
And you finish the level by playing a fun game where you have to hit that letter as many times as possible.
Meow. Meow. Mo.
The game is a great way to develop phonemic awareness and get ready for reading and writing.